WasteReuse is an important project which is funded by Life Unit of the European Commission because it deals with the utilization of agricultural waste, their management, in order to develop alternative agricultural practices which will be beneficial for the agricultural sector. So we use several agricultural wastes that in order to produce, for example, compost, which will be used in agriculture and in several cultivations in both countries, Spain and Italy. Yes, we, Technical University of Crete, we're not agriculturists, we're engineers. So we are involved in actions regarding, apart from management, in actions regarding life cycle analysis and risk analysis. Risk analysis is the study which deals with the impacts of the use of agricultural waste in agriculture, and mainly to identify or to assess or to calculate the risk for soil and mainly groundwater, because in both pilot areas, in Italy and Greece and in Spain, the use of fertilizers, first of all, has an adverse impact on groundwater, and we strongly believe that the use of these agricultural waste to produce fertilizers, compost, will mitigate those impacts, and mainly associated with the prevention of the concentration of nitrates in groundwater and the improvement of quality of groundwater in agricultural areas. WasteReuse has aims to produce important results in various areas. First of all, to prove that agricultural waste, after proper management and treatment, can be successfully utilized in order to produce organic fertilizers, which can replace the expensive inorganic fertilizers that cause several problems to soils and groundwater, mainly in South European countries, and more specifically in all Mediterranean countries, on both sides of the Mediterranean. Also, the life cycle analysis, which examines the complete life cycle from the nursery phase to the final products of specific cultivations, including, for example, lettuce, cabbage, rosemary, etc., will prove or will identify the phases which contribute to the major environmental impacts, such as the emission of greenhouse gases, the acidification potential, the eutrophication potential. So we will try to assess all these impacts from both the traditional agricultural practice and the alternative agricultural practices WasteReuse is involved in. The farmers, and not only the farmers, we believe that WasteReuse results are very interesting also to local, regional authorities and policy makers at various levels. Can use these results, first of all, to get informed about these alternative agricultural practices WasteReuse aims to develop, and have benefits in terms of cost reduction, minimization of environmental impacts, improvement of groundwater quality, and after all, the quality of life in agricultural regions such as Albenga, where we are, and also policymakers. We think that they will get new and valuable and proven information that the use of agricultural waste is very beneficial to the agricultural sector, and in the end it will contribute to the improvement of the sustainability of the sector in agricultural areas in all Mediterranean countries.